Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 27 of saving every day in August. I almost said April. I am using prop coins and prop inserts from Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner. And she does have her new ones out for September. They're very pretty. I am going to go to the back here. I do have $12 today. So I have $6 to go into my minis. And then I have $6 to roll for my category of the month. So I took inspiration from so many amazing creators and people that are doing daily rolls every day, and I made it work for me. So I created this category of the month. So I picked one challenge that I'm doing that's pretty large. This one is $1,000 savings. And I thought I would do a roll for $6. So I do a D6 roll, and whatever I roll will come in here, and whatever, if I don't roll a 6, anything that doesn't go in here will go into my dailies. So it's a little extra way to get some more money into my dailies. So let's roll my honey die. We got 3. All right, that's what we got yesterday. So let's color in a circle to represent me rolling for a day. Look at that, we're almost at the end of the month, and we're gonna get $3. So 1, 2, and 3. So I'll put this in here. And then we need $3 worth of prop coins. So we have 51, 52, 53. Okay. And then we're going to go back to the front, and we're going to get our 25 cents. And we're just going to see if I can mix this up any better. Probably not. I'm just going to keep putting them together. I'm just going to see if they're spread out. They're not at all. Okay. That's better. Okay. All right, so we have our prop coins, and we're going to put our $9 in our bank. That's kind of fun that we get to do $9 2 days in a row. So let's go to the paper clip. We're on number 6. We don't need our little D6 anymore, so let's get our D3, and let's see what we got. 1 for number 6. 2 for number 1, 1 for number 2, 1 and 2 for number 3, 1 for 4. We're going to be here for a while. 1, 2, 3 for number 5, 1, 2, 3 for number 6, 2 for number 1, 2 for 2. Ooh, 3 for 3. Oh my gosh. We'll take it. 1 and 2. Number 5 got 3. Six got 2. We have 2 left. Oh wait, sorry, we had 3 left. So 1 for number 1, and we'll put the rest on 2, and we will start at number 3 tomorrow. I still haven't made my official decision on what I'm doing for September with my dailies, like what inserts I'm using. I keep going back and forth between a couple of them, so I know I need to make that decision really soon. And I will. I have to. Like, I have no choice. All right, so we don't need that. Let's get our markers out. So number 1 got 50, 75, $1, and then 25.50. So $1.50 for number 1. Oh, we just needed $1. So we will put 50 cents into the new one. I will finish coloring these in and be right back. All right, there we go. So this one saved us $5 and it is going to go to household. All right, so let's get a new one. What is this one? These are 50 cents each. Okay, so we have 50 cents. So I will color in the whole circle. This one is from Janelle Ray Budgets. It was a freebie with my order. So we'll just do that, and then the 25 cents can go there. All right, so up next for number 2, we did get a 50 cents. So 50, 75, $1, 25, 50. So $1.50 coming in here. This one is from Paula at the Swag Doodlers. We're coloring in the seashells. Okay, so we have 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, and 50. So it looks like 75 more cents, and this one will be done. That's exciting. All right, so 25 here, 50 there. All right, number 3, got 50, $1, and then 25, 50, 75. So $1.75. Oh, we just needed $1.25. Okay, so those, put those away, and then we will color these in, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's $1, 2, 3, 4, $5, and it's just business. All right, so we need a new one. What's all the way in the back? What's all the way back here? Oh, another $8 one. Oh my goodness, with this. Okay, so we have, look at how cute that is. Okay, so we need, well, we do have 50 cents. All right, so let's do 25.50. So we'll just cross it out so we can easily do 25.50 in case we only have a quarter. So that one goes in there. All right, and then number 4, we got $1. And number 4 is from Planning Rissa, and we just needed 50 cents. All right, so I will color these in, and I'll be right back. All right, that does say shark binder. I'm gonna leave it. That's fine, $3. And then we need another one that we can put 50 cents into. What's this one? Kimmy's Corner. Look at how grumpy that cat is. That's hilarious. All right, so we could make each of these lights 25 cents. So let's do 2 lights. All right, 2 lights done. Hopefully you can see that. Kimmy's Corner. It does say holidays. I'm not sure. I'm going to leave it there, but I might. All right, so that is done. And then number 5, all 25. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50. So $1.50 coming into number 5. All right, we have this one from Bookish Mama Budgets. Each one is 50 cents. So we can do $1.50. So 25.50, 75, $1, 25.50. This one's gonna save us $8. I have a few bigger ones in here, which is probably why we're not finishing as many, but we did finish a bunch today. All right, number 6 has 50. So we have 50, 75, $1, and then 25, 50, 75. So $1.75 coming in here. This one is one of mine. It was a freebie. I might still post it as a digital. I haven't decided yet, but I can do $1.75. So I'll be right back. All right, so there we go. Took my time with that. Thank goodness I do have Grease, my editor, speeding that up for all of us. So we have 75 cents. 25 cents goes there, 50 goes there. So let's go to the back and make sure we have $3 worth. So 51, 52, 53. Perfect. And I think I'm going to wait till the end of the month when all of this is done, and I'll add it to the first Friday in September. So that'll be cool. All right, so now we can go back up here, put our other prop coins away, and now we can go to the bank. So we need $3 for that one, $5 for that one, and $5 for that one. So $13 is what we have for today. So 5, 5, and 1, 2, and 3. Very cool. All right, so we have business, household, and shark. Household and that. So this would be business. So $5 for business. And I'm just going to put it into shipping. Actually, you know what? I should put it into P.O. Box. Well, I'm going to put it into P.O. Box. Okay. I need to double check when that is due. All right, and now we have household. Household is getting 5. And then Shark Binder is getting 3. Yay! Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate you so much. I know I say it all the time, but I just am hoping that it's sinking in and you realize how much I do appreciate you taking the time and hanging out with me while I do these videos. I find them super fun, super motivating for myself, and keeping me accountable, and I'm really just enjoying the heck out of it. So I am gonna keep doing it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.